Hi everyone, welcome back to Kmum Vlogs, and today I'm very excited to show you and to do this with you guys. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my very much awaited laptop. So it's from Apple. So we're gonna unbox this one. So this is really exciting, guys, because the last laptop that I bought was back in 2009 or 2008. So after many years, I don't know how many years, but I finally got my brand new MacBook Air. So ta-da! There you go. So join me, guys, and let's unbox this one, okay? So yes, guys, finally I got this MacBook Air. I've been wanting to buy this for a very long time, but you know, circumstances happen and I wasn't able to do. But now I have this new MacBook Air in gold color, which is really nice because I really want to get this color. So let's do the unboxing. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Kmum Vlogs and also click the notification bell para ma-updated kayo sa aking mga new videos. So let's do this now. Okay, so again, this is MacBook Air in gold color, 8GB memory and 256GB SSD. And guys, I got this one in education pricing for students. So nagkaroon ako ng discount dito. So if you're planning to buy a MacBook, don't forget to check the education pricing. It's at the very bottom, and then there's a link. So just click that and it gives you the pricing compared to regular price. So diba, ang ganda nun. So there you go. Let's do this now. So here you get a sticker thing to open it. So you don't need a scissor. I actually have a scissor beside me, pero hindi ko pala siya kailangan. So let's do it now. Okay. It's so precious. So precious. Kasi I remember my very first one is yung mahapal pa na MacBook, and I can also show it to you guys. Nandiyan pa rin siya sa akin. Nakatago pa din. And full memory na yon. And sobrang bagal niya. Hindi ko na rin siya na-update yung OS niya. Kaya hindi ko na siya magamit. But I'm still keeping it because I have some pictures ng mga bata dyan sa aking old MacBook. So I'm still keeping it. Okay, so now this one, I also purchased this because ang aking class for the coming winter term, this 2021, is 4 days a week. So having MacBook Air, you know, like very light siya because I have the Asus laptop, which I also use for programming, but it's really heavy. So hindi siya convenient dalahin kung saan-saan, unlike MacBook Air. Because I bought a used MacBook Air back in 2019 or 18, pero I have to sell it kasi I need naman something for programming. So gusto ko yung MacBook Air, pero because yung mga programming software na ginagamit ko doesn't work with Mac, so I have to give it away. And it's okay because ano naman yun parang old model na rin siya. So this time, I make sure na bago ako mag-start ng class this coming January or this like next week, meron na ako magagamit because I'll be like on Zoom or no, sorry, on Microsoft Teams meeting almost every day. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Ayan siya, guys. I feel like para siyang rose gold. Pero gold color to, siguro lang because of the lighting. So yan. There you go. Ganyan siya. And then meron siya dito na you can lift, so you can remove the laptop from the box. Ayan siya, guys. Ang gaan niya, you know, like I have this nga yung old one. It's so easy to, you know, like when you're traveling and kapag may mga meetings kayo or whatsoever, pag may class kayo, napakadali niyang gamitin because napaka-light niya. And what's in our box is yung wire, yung charging wire niya, I think, yung cable, and then also yung usual nila, yung design by Apple in California, and then yung kanilang charger, I think it's smaller than my old one. for MacBook Air. I can't remember yung 2018 model ko or 2014 ba yun. Basta yung late one, this is the same size, but this is like really tiny. Ang liit niya na. So, pinaliit na nila. So, basically, yan yung laman ng ating box. I'm just gonna remove this para kung kailangan ko siya i-charge. And then, ayan, that's it. That's really it. So, let's open our MacBook. And I'm gonna keep this box then because they have a nice box. Lahat ng Apple phone ko, hatago lang yung box. Okay, so we're removing the plastic now. And really, it looks like a rose gold to me. Maybe sa ilaw. Oh gosh, look at that. Ang bango niya, ang linis niya. So clean, shining. Ayan, very light. So let's open it. I haven't read yung mga features niya, but basically, binago nila yung keyboard, and then the speaker is here. Tapos meron to siyang touchpad. I think this one, or something like you can use your finger. And that's the screen, guys. Like so new. Like it's so new. It's really nice. Like smells so fresh. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Macbook Air. Oh, they also have their included gold sticker. Really cute. So I don't know, hindi ko naman ginagamit yung ganito ko talaga. So I have one pero hindi ko rin siya nagamit. So I'm just gonna keep it. Okay, so ito yung kanyang parang mini manual. Nakalagay dito, welcome to MacBook. Charge your MacBook Air and connect external storage or a display. Ang ganda ng camera nito, I'm expecting. So, actually, binili ko rin to kasi I want to use it for vlogging. Like, dito na ako mag-edit ng mga video. At least I have this one. It will help me to, like, work more on my vlogs. Meron na siyang touch ID power button. So, ayan yun. Basically, that's it. I wonder kung zero charge siya kasi hindi siya nag-turn on. So maybe I need to plug in yung charger. Just to start, I'm removing the cable. So
I'm really excited to use this because yung aking computer, like I do most of my stuff on my laptop. So it really helps to have something like this na very small, very compact siya, and
like it functions really well. Ako talagang super gusto ko yung MacBook compared to Windows because I don't know, like feeling ko ang sharp ng mga pictures niya. But then there you go guys, ganun ko na maliit na nga yung kanilang charger compared sa old ones. So i-connect lang natin to dito.
Grabe yung kanyang charger, pwede yung charger ng mga phones. Yung kasi yung nabili kayo yung connector niya.
Ito na yung nasa screen. Ayan, lumabas yung Apple logo and then, ang sabi niya dito, ayan. So, I'm gonna click next. Oh, hindi ko alam ang gagawin dito. Hang on. So, it's setting up yung kanyang language. Tapos, it should be, I think meron na dito mga softwares like yung iMovie, yung kanilang mga default softwares if you call it. So, yan. We're just waiting. Language chooser. And then, yung kanyang keypad is more, I don't know, it feels different compared sa mga old. So, in-upgrade talaga nila yung kanilang keypad. Data sa iCloud. So, sana huwag siyang mag-sync dito kundi mauubos yung memory nito. Yung aking space. And that's the reason why I also decided na mag-MacBook because yung phone ko is laging max ang aking space. So, kapag nagbe-video ako, laging nauubos siya. So, hindi ko yung plan na gawin dito. This is for editing. Tapos yung class ko, very important. Yeah, that's it. Setting up yung kanyang Touch ID. So what you're gonna do is, lalagyan mo lang yung finger mo dito. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. So ayan. So Touch ID is ready. Continue. Okay, so I think everything is ganyan lang siya. Sin-set up ko lang. And I think that's really it. Very easy yung pagka-unbox natin because it's very straightforward. And most of the vlogs din na pinanood ko na unboxing is madali na talaga. Because everything is, you know, like self-explanatory. So ayan ang kanilang screen, ang home screen ng Mac. And everything yung dock niya, yung dito lahat ng icons niya. And let's see if there's iMovie because that's what I need. Meron siyang iMovie. There you go. So, dito na ako mag-edit ng aking mga videos and ayan ang iMovie. So, there you go guys. That's our unboxing for today. Yung ating Macbook Air 2020. So, I hope this is something na useful din sa inyo kung if you just purchase your MacBook. So there you go. This is rose gold color, really straightforward, magaan siya, 13-inch ang kanyang screen, and that's it. So that's it guys. So yan po ang ating unboxing. Thank you for staying with me and I will see you again next time. Bye!